Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to make your Instagram comments more fun and expressive? Now you can add GIFs. Here's how. First of all, open the Instagram app and go to a post where you want to leave a comment. Now tap the comment box, just like you normally would to type a response. Look for the GIF icon on the right side of the text field and tap it. Use the search bar to find the perfect GIF for your comment. Type in a keyword or browse trending ones. Once you have found the perfect reaction, tap the GIF and it will be posted as your comment just like that. And that's it. Super easy, right? If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.